Before we begin, I thought I'd give you a rundown on how our Roku channel is going to work. So I've created a flowchart that I hope will help you somewhat understand the functionality of our channel. Now if this part completely confuses you or looks too technical, don't worry. You don't need to understand any of this to create a channel. I'll still take you step by step through the entire process. So as long as you're able to do what I do, then you should be able to create a channel. But if you're like me and you like to know how things work, then this short explanation video is probably for you. So to begin with, we have the channel package. This is the brain of our channel, and it's made using Roku's programming language called BrightScript. Now there are basically two major parts to every channel. There's a part that's hosted on the Roku player itself, and then there's the part that's hosted online, usually on a server that's owned or maintained by the channel owner. Now the channel package is part of the channel that is hosted on the Roku player. It's basically the template for the channel. It consists of a few permanent images and also some programming language that tells the channel how it will look and behave. The channel package is what we'll be making using Eclipse, and it's also part of the channel that gets uploaded to Roku.com and then downloaded to the Roku player whenever anyone adds your channel to their Roku. Now there's another part of your channel which is not part of the channel package. This is the heart of your channel, which basically consists of the media content like the videos and any video cover art that makes up your channel. This is the larger part of your channel, and it's stored on your own web-based server or an internet server that you have access to. And it's on the internet, so it can also be accessed by any Roku player that has your channel package installed. So let's get a rundown of how all of this works together. You'll notice on the flowchart that the first object is the channel package. Remember, it's made of a few images and a bit of BrightScript. Let me show you the images that are part of the channel package we'll be creating. By the way, the screen I'm using here is from a Roku version 1, and it's on an analog screen, so it may not look the same as what you're working with there. But everything we do here will work on any version of Roku. The first image you'll see is the main channel image. This is part of the channel package and actually consists of several images. You'll see here that we have a larger image, but you'll notice that as we change our focus to other channels, our main channel image shrinks down. This is actually a separate image, and we'll be responsible for creating that image as well. Also, every image that you see here has a duplicate image. There's an HD image made for showing on high definition televisions, and an SD image made for showing on standard definition televisions. So there are actually 4 separate images that need to be made for this main channel image. There's the larger and the smaller image, and then also the HD duplicate of each image. So the main channel image is one image that's part of the channel package, and the only other image that's part of our channel package is called the overhang background image. This is the banner or logo image that's consistently at the top of your channel. So if we click here on our main channel image, you'll notice that our channel has a banner image at the top of the channel. This is the other image that's part of your channel package. So this banner image and the main channel image are the only images that are a part of our channel package. Everything else, including the category images, the video cover art, and the actual videos themselves, are all separate from the channel package and are stored on your web server. This is what enables you to update the content of your channel without having to repackage your channel and send it to Roku every time you want to add another video. And basically it works like this. Our channel package is programmed to find the categories XML file. If you're familiar with website programming, then the categories XML file is like the index file on a website. It's basically the main page or the first go-to file. So when you click on your main channel image, the Bright script is programmed with the URL address of the categories XML file, which is being stored on your web hosting account. The categories XML file then has links to all of the categories you build into your channel. You can basically have as many categories as you want. However, at some point, having too many categories does slow down your channel. Each category you set up for your channel has its own XML file, and the categories XML has a link to it. Also, each category has its own image, and the categories XML file also contains the URL address of each category image. So, each category has its own XML file, and these separate category XML files have links to the videos which are stored on your server or a video hosting server. And again, you can have as many videos in each category as you wish. Also, the images or the video cover art for each video is linked to in each of these separate category XML files. So, those are the basics of how our channel will work. This entire video probably won't make perfect sense to you right now, but as we go through the process of creating our channel, you may want to refer back to this video and FlowChart to better help you understand how your channel will work.